Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today we're gonna talk about some very interesting and particular prototypes that are from Xiaomi, but they never get released for one reason or another. But without wasting any time, let's talk about the first prototype. So the first one, it is called Xiaomi U1, and it could have been the first foldable from Xiaomi, but for unknown reason, Xiaomi just deleted this device and instead they decided to release the Mi Mix Fold, as you already know. And if you are familiar with the Mi Mix Fold, it is actually very similar to other foldables like the Galaxy Fold, but this Xiaomi U1 was very different, and I don't know why they just deleted this project, because it would have been very interesting in my opinion. The second prototype, it is called Xiaomi Hercules, and it is very similar in pretty much everything to a Xiaomi Mi 9, so it is kind of a old prototype. The very big difference between the Mi 9 and this Xiaomi Hercules, it is the front-facing camera that it is under the display. And this should be one of the first under-display camera, and it was also by 20 megapixel. Also this one, we don't know why they just didn't proceed with the project, but as we already know, we had only the Mi 9 standard. The third prototype that we have here on my list, it is called Xiaomi Comet, and by the way, these are all code names, so they are not the official name of these prototypes, because as the name suggests, they are only prototypes, so they are only ideas, or maybe they just did some tests and they didn't thought about an official name, we can say. So these are all code names. And this Xiaomi Comet, it should have been the first with the official IP68 rating. Not only that, but also, as you can see from the photo, it could be possibly a semi-rugged phone. It should have mounted like an under-display camera. I don't know why the reasons on a rugged phone, but that was the original project. And also the official name of this Xiaomi Comet should have been the Xiaomi Mi A3, but Extreme. And in fact, by the name, you can understand that it could have probably been a rugged phone. This was indeed one of the most weird and mysterious projects that we know about Xiaomi. Then the last one that I have here on my list, it is the Mi Mix Alpha, and you probably already seen some pictures or maybe some videos on the internet. And this is, I think, the most famous project from Xiaomi, and this was also developed and they had some device ready, and for me it is one of the coolest device that we can find out there. Also, if you consider that this is from like few years ago, but unfortunately it didn't pass some global tests for the durability, and so they discontinued this project, unfortunately, because as I said before, I think this was one of the most revolutionary phone that we could find on the market. Anyway, those were some prototypes that they never seen the daylight, but let's talk about some smartphone from Xiaomi that will come out probably in a few weeks or maybe in a near future. And so I am talking about the Xiaomi 12T series, and as you may know, in China they've just launched the Xiaomi 12S series, and as I said also on my video, they are only devices for the China market. And so for the European and global market, we should have this new 12T series, and they should be pretty much the same devices as the 12S series. In fact, from some leaks, you can see that we will have for sure the 12T and the 12T Pro. And someone says that we could have a 12T Pro Plus, or just, in my opinion, a 12T Ultra. That will be the same one as the 12S Ultra, of course. So as I said before, they are very much similar to the 12S series. And so the specs should be the same, but the main difference could be on the camera and only on the 12T Pro series, because the main difference could be the main sensor, that they could use the new Samsung sensor that is from 200 megapixel. And we heard a lot about this sensor, but still nobody uses that on a smartphone. If Xiaomi take this, they will be the first one to use this camera sensor, but if they will not do it, I think we are gonna see this sensor, I think for sure, on the next Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Anyway, we know something about the price of the 12T standard. That could be like around 600 euros here in Europe, but you know that with taxes and import taxes and all of that stuff, the price will go up. but still the 12T should have the Dimensity CPU. It should land to the mid-range phone. So I think it will not cost more than 700 euros. That still, it is a lot of money for a mid-range phone. But anyway, we don't know yet a specific date for the launch of this 12T series. Someone says that they could launch in August, and I think that could be true, because if you consider that in December, at the end of December, they will present and release the new Xiaomi 14 series, I think that this could be the case. Anyway, that was pretty much it. Let me know if you have any question down below in the comments. Ask me everything that you want to know. I'm very happy to read all of your comments. And also, if you like this video, just hit a like button down below. It's free. And also, if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, subscribe right down below, because I mean, it's free too. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.